While prices should be important to anybody, it should be competitive. The reality of it is that price doesn't necessarily equate to a high quality product. If price is your only desire, it's easy to go offshore and buy stuff at a fraction of what it may cost you to have it here. If intellectual property is important to you, if the quality of the product, if the certifications for the materials that product's made out of are important to you, you want to stay in the United States and build that here.
When it comes to medical parts, we may not be the cheapest, but we're the best because we have the quality systems in place.
The best way to control the cost of a product is to partner with somebody early on and let them help you drive cost out of the product.
We look at the tool design and everything up front so that when that product goes into production, we don't have any issues.
Simplification of the part. There's ways that snap two pieces together. One way is very expensive relative to how you build the tool, and if you allow some design flexibility, you can eliminate those features and make the tool straight open and close. That could be drafter, it could be through holes for the snap hooks. There's a lot of ways to do those type of things. Some of the materials out there will actually stick together when you press them together. That's another option to do, and then those tools can be done with straight open and closed tooling.
When we quote with a customer and we don't get that product, sometimes the reasoning can be tool prices are too high or cycle time might be too high. But what we found is that a lot of times our customers will come back to us because the person who won the quote maybe didn't understand what they were quoting.
If you're looking for a new medical molder, you should be looking for somebody that's got the horsepower and the facilities that can make the products that you're looking for.